done?
Yes, I may have missed a couple of them, but for the most part, I got most of them done.
All right, so should we just start with number 1 and start saying our answer? Okay, so for number 1, I got a sheet there. Ooh,
Okay.
I did independent sample teacher. I can be wrong, though. I can probably be wrong. What did you guys think, Rusty?
I got independent sample t-test for number 2.
Oh, you know what? We might as well, because it did say that this stuff is the medium questions. Oh, let's do that. Let me open mine up.
So, number 2 would be human resource manager, reporting data for the recent involuntary decision board at her company. You are an attorney who wants to determine if discrimination is a factor. Okay, so I could be wrong, and my tutor could have been wrong too, but she said because it talks about, where she is. Maybe I completely wrong. That's what I got from it, but.
So, we've started the group meeting, correct? For group number 20, or L20.
I'm still getting there, but yeah, that's what we're doing.
What is it for number 2?
For number, wait, number 2 or number 3?
Number 2.
I'll be really honest. I didn't really get to go over all of it because I've been spending the last 2 days running with her. I was last night interviewing. So, yeah, thank you. Yeah, no problem. Production. Fire, of course, at her company. You are an attorney. Determine both age groups.
Okay, why is that? Because there's different groups for like looking at proportions, and she said, so that's why she said that the two because it has two different age groups.
Yeah, that's what I really well.
But honestly, I don't know. Because the other ones are actually more.
What they're looking for, they're looking for expired, and so you have each group and a hand group. And so you put that into a 2 sample proportion. So they're looking for each group, whatever, depending on 40 or younger.
The 2 sample which test?
Z test. Which
Would be the 2 proportions?
yeah, the tested 2 proportions. So that's
G.
Okay,
Yeah.
but isn't test of 2 proportions, isn't that for quantitative data?
Yeah,
Or not, that's what I mean to say.
Okay. So this is how I divide it. It says 2 different exercises for 2 different cases. Because you do 2 different proportions. So if we have like 2, so say like this one for example, we're talking about 2 different groups. We have 3, whatever 2 different groups. There's only one things change in that, that's why maybe the percentage of proportions. But I might be completely wrong too, I don't know.
Yeah, so let's say you have 40, you have 40 that are young, 40 older than 40. Trying to find the number of both of them that were fired. So let's say there was 11 younger, and there was like only 5 that were older. So what you're doing is trying to compare them together to see which one had the course fired, creating a case of, age discrimination. And so that's where you kind of take both examples and the true portion of it. So that was kind of my reason. I'm not sure what else it could be.
There's thinking of paired sample.
No, I don't think it's a paired sample. I think it's an independent sample t-test. Because you don't have any kind of sigma to it, and I guess you could call it categorical, though, because it's fired or not fired. It's not really like you're counting, you know? So I could go with you on that one. So
I figured the t-test as the category, or the chi-test was categorical.
No, so are the proportional ones. Unless
Yes.
Okay. Am I right on that?
I think so. I'm pretty sure that we use both of them.
Okay, because I have my tutors know it's categorical, independent, they influence each other, basically.
We didn't get into the chi until chapter 19, or lesson 19.
Right.
And so we've been working with categorical for the last 2 weeks, or the last few lessons anyway.
Right. Okay, I'll go with that. Should we go to the next one?
Yeah, I have a question. How are you guys, hold on just a minute though. How are you putting your answers in? Are you typing the letter? Are you?
Yeah, you type the letter.
Just H?
Yeah, H for...
Okay.
The real big micro state water is the last chapter. 2,000 proportion of male heavy and watery players within the proportion of male young population, which is 28.5 the game of the recreation. So this one I
Which one?
one proportion.
I did a one sample Z. I'm feeling like maybe I don't know what I'm doing. What do you guys think?
Well, we have two determinants there.
But we did that on the Z stuff from the very beginning.
But it says determine the proportion of male heavy water players. So that's are you just there? I think figure out.
No, exactly. I'd agree with it too, because you take of the 152, you want to determine how many were male heavy lottery players. So you're taking like a proportion of the sample that was taken, and so 48.5, you do 152 times 0.45, and then you would plug in that other number, and it's one sample proportion. The way I assume it. So I'm making it.
The proportions are kind of but if that proportion is in the question, then we have to kind of assume it's going to be 1 or 2 per person.
Yeah. And it's
delicious. I know. But I don't know what's next.
that's true. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to go with test of one proportion.
Yeah, that's what I went with too.
Okay, so number 4 is F.
Okay, so I propose we don't read the questions unless we have a question, unless we're not agreeing on it. Okay, so for number 4, I got paired sample t-test, which would be C.
It was what
Number
you
4,
said?
you did what?
For the next one, I got paired sample t-test, which would be C.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so can we go through can we go through the letter answers? 2 was H, 3 was G. What was 4? 4 was F as in Frank, and then C as in cat for 5. Okay, number 6.
I got 2 proportions.
2. You got which one?
I got
I don't have a G as an option.
No, you don't.
Okay. I got
So 6 is
paired sample T confidence. Paired sample T.
I could be wrong too. I'm not saying that you're right.
No, chances are your tutor's a lot smarter than I am, so don't apologize. Just explain.
I just think that I think it's hard even for you still. I have a hard time deciphering between the pairs and the 2 proportions. I really don't know how to explain that. If I put a rope in how to explain it, that would be great. But I don't know how to decipher between those 2. It's really hard to decipher.
I got 6 for C on that one because they're using. Oh, wait. Got to make sure that I've got that.
That's, I said C as well, Rusty.
Okay.
Yes.
I know how to explain that. So there's 2 appraisers. So they are appraising the exact same houses. So we're going to set up a proportion to find out that answer. I think because it does not really have like 6 different types of data to look at. So we're going to set up a proportion between these 2 appraisers.
See, that's why I said they were paired, because you'd have house A and then appraiser 1's price and then appraiser 2 price, and you would subtract and get a difference. No. We had this question before. I just don't remember what the right answer was. What do you think?
Each set of, or each appraiser is doing the same houses. So one depends up on the, what one does depends on the other. It's like husband and wife.
Yeah, that's why I think it's a paired one.
That's what I got was C.
Yes, because the house. Valid point, Macy. They're not necessarily tied to each other.
But it's the same house.
Yeah.
But I see what Macy's saying. It's not like one person went on a diet and they had a before weight and then an after weight. I see why she's saying confidence interval of 2 proportions now. So F like Frank, right? No, I'm understanding that.
Wait. 2 proportions of confidence interval?
Yeah.
Is that the same thing as example?
It's the very.
Yes, it is.
See,
I checked on
that's
it.
and that's different because what they're looking for is the difference between the two appraisers to see how far apart one is.
And you do differences with paired sample teeth. Find the difference.
Let me hold on.
Because what they're trying to do.
We're all board in this quiz. Let me say something. Maybe you guys are on this, and I just want to figure out like 6 things.
Well, but 6 confidence interval for two proportions is what I have for the number 6 on the homework, which is the number 7 on the test. Remember that we're one question off.
Let me try something really quick. I have two proportions for the other. So let me pull it up.
So paired is 5, or paired is the one we're on right now.
What
Yeah.
they want to do is they hired the two appraisers, so they go through the 6 houses, and they're trying to see the difference in which one, and like how far off each appraiser is, to make sure that they're doing it a consistent basis. Hopefully, the theory is at 0. So they should be
David,
well,
could you flick some lights as you go through? Thank you. Okay. Okay, so we are paired.
I'm looking at a definition for Z-score calculator for two population proportions. The Z-score test for two population proportions is used when you want to know whether two populations or groups differ significantly on some single characteristic, for example, whether they are vegetarians.
You know what? I think, Rusty, I think that Macy, she was just on the wrong answer. So we're all on the same page now that it's paired sample T.
all right.
So, number 7 on the test or 6 on the homework is, I say F, confidence interval for two proportions.
I agree with that.
Do you agree, Rusty?
I'm still reading the definition that I just read. Yes. So we'll go with that.
Okay, so what do you think the answer is for number 7?
F.
Okay, so we're all in agreement there. Number 8.
So is everybody in agreement with number 7 being F?
Yes, we are.
Number 8.
I don't know, but I really like the number 8, and I could go with the double stick.
I have my M&Ms in the car just waiting. Oh, you know what, though? My kids just took my car. I probably have to go buy more M&Ms.
Probably now.
Okay, so number 8 is, I have B. 1, 6, T.
Yeah. I'm right, one of the two.
We're both right. Is that what you have, Rusty?
Let's see. I'm getting all mixed up here with count. We're on 8, right?
8 on the test and 7 on the homework. It would really be nice if they numbered these the same.
I agree. So B,
Yes.
as in boy.
B as in boy. We're all in agreement. Okay. Number 9 on the test, 8 on the homework. I have A.
I got B also.
Yeah, I would say B.
Okay, good. I'll change my answer.
Wait, which one did you get?
B is in boy.
C is in cat.
I don't think so.
I always get those areas mixed up.
Type 1 is when you reject it and it's true. Is that right? I think. Oh, it might be Macy. Okay. I'll ask Dr. Google while you're in the middle of looking in the book.
Because I chose B for the first time and computer vision on C. So I don't know.
And that would make sense because you use B in number 9. So to say the exact thing kind of.
Does it really make sense, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it's literally the same question.
I think it's your answer. Yeah. I'm going to go with B.
Okay.
I'm okay with that.
I did too. Is that what you got, Rusty?
Hold on a second. For which one?
For number 11 on the quiz and 10 on the homework.
That one I did not get.
Okay, so this is a trick for this one. This is just something to remember. Because this question has been on like 3 of our quizzes, like a couple of our tests already. And there's only 2 correct answers. And the one in there is actually change because here's the 2 means, or it's going to say line between 2 points. It's either going to know that so actually contains the change together, so we can't. That's in the main option.
Yep.
So I would say
correct.
Actually containing the 2 meanings, or line between the 2 points. So it's going to give you 11 of 2 answers.
No wonder I would get it.
So it's last one, 95% of all, 95% confidence.
Yep. Okay, so the next one, I have
What? D?
D is in dog.
Oh, see, I'm about ready to go now.
That's what I got, was 0.30.
Okay. Number 13. B is in boy. B is in boy. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I got C as in cat. Did you put it in the let's see.
What was the?
I don't have my work here anymore either. What's the probability that
Do you remember the equation that we used for that one?
I do. It is pretty much a navigation to the square root. Do you want me to hold it up?
Yeah, I'm coming to look at you here. Okay, hold it up. Let's see what you've got here. Yeah, that's the standard deviation thing.
Yep, this is probably one of the deviations.
Can you move it up just a little higher? And then, is that where you got the 0.46? Can you go up some more?
Yeah, it's 0.46. Yeah.
Okay, 0.046. What is the probability? So
And then I put it into this.
P minus, no, it's fine. P minus P hat over,
And then I put this right here into my probability output.
okay.
And that's
And you got which letter?
A.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have my work right here, but I can,
For 13, or 14.
yeah, for 14.
Yeah, I got A.
Okay. So,
I went right. Because I was really bad at it.
all right. Next one.
15, I got E.
Okay, I did too, but there's not an E on the test itself. I don't have an option E. So it's C. It looks like is the same answer. What's wrong, Luke?
So,
Yeah, that's the answer.
which one are you on?
Go tell her.
C as in probability.
And what was 14? What is the probability that you're random?
It is
My kids are coming home. Can you tell? Sorry.
You should ask if
Good night. Charlize,
Okay, so we're 14.
listen. The washing machine's clean,
So-
so you can throw all your clothes in.
Is 1.3 or 0.138,
Yes.
and then the next one is C.
Yes. Okay. 16, I got music boy.
16. Yes, I agree.
Okay. Do you understand?
Oh yeah, that one I got.
David, take it up to him, would you? Yeah,
17,
he should be
I got music dog.
I agree. Oh, wait. No, I got D as in dog 1.458.
That's what I got.
Okay. I don't know.
You said D. Rusty, you got 1.458?
1.458 is what I got.
Okay. Okay, the next one, I got D as in dog 0.145.
Okay, with these values, the created 95 up there and 13, I believe it is. I actually was in Excel and I came up with let's see, 0.003 and 0.029 on 15.
For
Is
which
that
one?
C?
Oh, crud. My phone just dropped the call. Okay.
Danny, can you hear me?
I won't remember.
I just lost the call.
Did we all lose sound?
Yellow.
Okay. I don't know what happened. My phone just swapped. It's a half a day.
I don't know what's going on here.
Mommy, do I have to leave early tomorrow?
Okay. No, it's late start. Yes. Normal time, but not early.
Am I going to Julie's?
Yes. Hey, guys. Oh, you can't hear me. Thank you. You noticed I dropped my call.
All of us did. It was nothing all. It must have been mine.
Okay, so we got to get everybody back, huh?
Get everybody back.
Hello.
Hey, Rusty. I'm so back. I don't know what happened.
All right, well, then, back together.
We're back. So what was your question?
Someone was talking about accept.
On number 15, what was the answer? Because I actually came up with something that was different from what y'all got.
Negative 0.003 and
On which
0.09.
I'm behind. I dropped off the conversation before that point, it looks like. Okay, so I think did we finish up with number 18 on the test?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did we all agree number 19 is? E, no, I failed to reject the null.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm looking really quickly. I took a picture of my Excel document when I was doing this. So I'll get this to see.
Did you do them? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you guys are right. I wrote it down 1.458 or 458 for 13.
Okay.
7. Yes.
Yeah.
And then the p-value.
The p-value is at 0.928.
That's not
That's
an
not
option.
even a choice. I
So
got
I'm thinking on that
0.145.
when you didn't set the set one of the levels, right? Or the let's see.
Yeah, that's right now, I don't think.
Did you come up with 0.145, Tammy?
I did. And it would have to be. Can you see? Did you set your test statistic to not equal to? Okay. You need to put that. What? Okay, you're 45 minutes late. I'm sorry. I'm doing 10 kid things all at the same time. Okay.
All right.
Yes. Okay. So 19 is an elephant.
Yep.
Turn the light on the microwave off. Okay. And then we go on to number 20. I got A as well.
21, I got E.
Rusty, are you agreeing with these? Are we going too fast, or is it okay?
You're going too fast. Number 20 on the page is A.
Number 20 on the quiz, but not on the
quiz.
homework. Yeah.
Correct.
A is an apple. 6.5.
80.
Yep.
That's what I got. Okay.
Okay. 21 is D as in dog. 0.087.
And that's what I got.
Okay. 22. What did you get, Rusty?
I got E.
I got E as well.
Let's see. The p-value is greater than 0.05.
Which it is. You just have to look up at the question right above it.
Yes.
Okay, so no, not yet.
That's correct. Can you see that right up above it, Macy? The number is 0.087. Okay, next one. Hold on. 23 is number 22, right? I don't have that. I don't have that question on my thing.
22.
Okay, well, I'm probably wrong because 21 or 22, I put it in the answer to you guys, so that
Okay, number 23. I don't have that one on my book thing, is all I'm saying. So let's see.
So-
I don't have it.
21 is calculate the p-value for this hypothesis test, and I got the bottom choice on 21 on our choice.
Yes. And so the
22,
next
I have no, the p-value is greater than 5, and that's E. The next one is 23, what do you conclude based on your result?
Okay. So go back up to the top of the question. It says that the null hypothesis is being a morning or evening person is independent of age. So if we reject that, or we're not rejecting it, we have insufficient evidence to say it is, yes, B, as in boy,
I
because
have
that's how
E.
they're restating it. Okay, next one. Did you too, Rusty?
I'm trying to figure out where we are on this one.
So on my book, it's now 23 on my test review from the book, and 24 on the online. Yes.
It's 24 is based on the results of the sample and 95% confidence interval of P is correct?
Yes, correct.
And
Wait, I'm sorry.
what did you say, Clint?
I have a question about number 23 on the actual quiz. I think it's actually C, right? Because it failed to reject the null hypothesis, saying that being a morning person is independent of age. But if we're saying we have insufficient evidence to say that being a morning person, that goes against what we're testing. Does that make sense?
No, because I disagree, because if you reject the null, then you accept the alternative hypothesis. And the alternative hypothesis for that one is being a morning person is not independent of age. So we
didn't
didn't.
reject the hypothesis. We failed to reject the hypothesis.
If the P is lower than the P was higher, going to
Yeah, so that
Right,
means
so that
that you
means-
stay with the status quo, which is what the null hypothesis is.
The null hypothesis is that being a morning or evening person is independent of age. We failed to reject it, so we have insufficient to say that it is. Oh, I'm confused.
If it's still hurting by Friday, I will take it to the doctor. Well, I'm going to choose just personally to stay with what I've got, and we'll
You
see.
chose B, correct, Jenny?
I chose B as in boy.
Okay.
I could be wrong.
And I've seen this one before, I just couldn't find it right now to bring it out.
Okay. So Tony, let's just go on, and maybe we can come back to this, so like, when we go through the whole thing, because my brain right now is like, so.
Okay.
Okay. So on 24 on the test.
Yeah, I got B for 24 on the quiz.
D is in cat.
B is in cat 0.150 or 0.310 for 24.
This is my new I agree sign. Thumbs up.
Okay. 25, I got 1,040.
I got A as in apple. Rusty, what did you get?
Hold on just a second. Number 25 was which one?
I have A as in apple, 2401.
Okay, let's see my places that I used. I don't know. Okay, this is what I did.
Hold on just a second.
It's really jumbled. So, I did N times B star over N squared times T times minus T.
Okay, hold on. What did you use for your P hat?
My P hat will make me 2. Because I talked about P star. This is not P hat, I think.
But that's one that you have there uses a P hat. So I think I did the N. Can I see yours again? Your work. I did a different formula. I did the N equals Z star divided by 2M squared, and then it leaves off the P stuff. Because we don't have a P.
Can you write yours for me and hold it up so I can see?
Yeah, let me go find my work.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's all good.
I can it up too.
Did she say that? So it was Z over M squared?
Well, we want to get
What is your value for Z?
and U is 95%, so it would be the 1.96. Do you remember that?
Oh, yes.
So that's what the Z score, the Z star would be. And then my monitor has
Okay, I've got my work. It's in pencil, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. But let's see. Let me click on myself so I can see what I'm putting up here.
And I click on you.
Oh, then that's not the right one. Let's see, right there. By my finger. Where's my camera? Okay.
Okay. Hold it. There we go. Okay. Here it is. Equals
Z.
0.96. Is that 49?
Yeah, I don't know what that's for yet, but the 49 isn't important. That's just a scribble.
Okay.
Times 2, or over 2 times.
Okay. So you do the first one. I think you got the first one too.
And then there's the answer for the math on it, the 2401.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have an answer for it, Rusty? Rusty?
Pardon?
Did you have an answer for that one?
For number 25? 2401.
Yes, you had 2401 too? Okay.
Yep.
And Clint, you didn't have any answers, right?
That's right. Doing well today.
That's okay. You're here. I mean, I can read it from my car. Last we all have our weeks. Okay, next one. I got C as in cat.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
27, I got C as in cat as well.
I did too. Same for you, Rusty?
Yes.
Next one, I got A as in apple. 1.768.
Okay, that one I did not get.
What did you get, Rusty?
That I did not get that. I did not get an answer on that one.
Okay. So are you feeling confident on how to put that one in, or do you need to go through that?
I think I feel pretty confident on how to plug it in.
Okay.
What equation are you using? The same one that you showed us?
I'm looking. I should do a better job of keeping track of my equation. I think that's right because I don't have to do any paperwork on that one with those kind of numbers.
I don't have to work too much. I'm doing like So we're on 30, right?
I'm on 29 still.
29.
I got B for 29.
I did too.
And then for 30, I got A.
Are you with us, Rusty?
Yes, and I got that one too.
Okay. So now we're on to the next section.
Okay, and this is where I got, sorry.
Okay, so I got, for this 31, I got negative .01262 and negative .0016. But let's see, we're probably supposed to have 3 decimal places. So we're going to have to clean those up a little bit. So,
did you use Excel for this, Tammy?
Yes.
Yes. You did?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, no, I used SPS.
Yes. Oh, you did?
I did.
Okay.
I did it yesterday.
Okay. So, yeah, my SPS is not working. It hasn't been working all day.
So I'm going to change that answer once I cleaned up those to 3 decimal places. It's going to be negative .013 and negative .002. What did you get, Rusty? Hello?
Negative .002.
Okay.
It,
Kenny, can you hear us?
Yeah, my phone went off speaker. What was said?
Nothing. I got it. I just asked for the repeat what we're doing.
Okay.
can I ask for a repeat on 31?
31. Negative .013. Negative .002.
And for the degrees of freedom, did you get 99?
I did.
And for the T is negative 2.803?
Correct. Okay, for the next one, for 33, no, 32, I got the p-values .006.
That's what I got.
Okay, and for 34, I got D as in dog.
'dog'. 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 'Dog'
Okay,
Okay.
35.
35.
Let's see, these are going to 3 decimal places. So let me clean up my answer a little bit. Okay,
Okay.
and
And
okay, for the first one I got 8.728,
That's what I got.
and then 10.455.
And that's what I got.
Okay, for the next one, 22.446.
And that's what I got. And then 40.
Correct, 40 for the 37. And 38, I got .000.
That's what I got.
And 39 would be A.
Okay, so I'm going to go to the top and I'll read it down. And that way we make sure we all have the same answer. Alright. Number 1 is 2, number 2 is H, number 3 is G. I think it goes. Number 4 is F is in break, number 5 is T is cat. 6 is G is cat. 7 is F is in break. 8 is zero. 9 is B. 10 is C. 11 is D.
Hold on just a minute. Pause. Rusty, are you keeping up, or does she need to slow down a little bit?
Slow down a bit. On number 8,
Okay.
you got B.
Yeah.
7, you got F.
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 9, I got C. Number 10, I got C. Number 11, I got D. Number 12, I got E.30. Number 13, I got B.046. Number 14, I got E.38. Number 15, I got C. 16, I got B for grade. 17, I got U as in dog. 18, I got D as in dog. 19, I got E. No, reject. 20, I got E. 6.580. 21, I got B. 0.087. 22, I got E. No, the P is greater than 0.05. 23, I got B. 24, I got C. 25, I got A. 2, 0. Number 26, I got C. 27, I got C. 28, I got A. 29, B. 30, A. 31, negative 0.013, and negative 0.002. 32, degrees of freedom, I got 29. D is negative 2.803. 33, I got 0.006. 34, I got the last one. 35, I got 8.728. And 10.455. 36,
No. Stop.
22.
36.
22.446.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. 37, I got 40. 38, I got 0.000. 39, I got yes. Because we returned the no.
All right, is it my turn to take one for the team?
I think it's my turn since I didn't. So I'll go check it.
Okay.
We missed a few of them. So scrolling down in order, number 9 is wrong,
Okay. Let's
and
look
number
at 9.
10 is wrong. So those are the two that we struggled with.
What was my I'm sorry. Cut.
Oh no, it's okay. I went with number.
What did you get for 7?
It's yeah.
Okay.
7 was what?
S is in break.
And 6 was
6 was in C as in cat.
okay.
Okay, so number 9.
So number 9, the answer I had was A, the probability.
You're probably right. I'm sorry, but
Oh, don't worry about it. I mean, without you guys, I wouldn't have gotten this far.
You know what? It's
And then-
it's a nice
And
thing
then
about
10 was
doing it
also
as a
wrong?
group, though. And
Yeah, 10 was. I think.
I said that's the nice thing about doing it as a group is we all take turns, and then we all benefit. Okay, so then I said for number 10, I had B was the first answer that I got. B as in boy.
And I do remember that one from the reading.
Okay, so what was the next one? We just went,
The next one is 23.
now, did you have B as in boy, or did you go with the other answer?
I went with probably null hypothesis, right? Is being one person independent of age. So that's like saying null hypothesis is true, right? But we didn't reject it. So no, we don't reject it.
So it has to be insufficient evidence.
Yeah, so it's insufficient evidence to say that being a morning or young person is not independent of age.
I agree with that.
Okay.
Well, I
So we
agree
think
that
it's
it's insufficient. It has to be insufficient because we did not reject the null. So if it's not B, it has to be that second one, or the next one down.
Okay, so that's my fault. Sorry, I argued for that other answer. Okay.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Oh,
what
I
else
was
did we
with you, Tanny. So is that it?
The next one is 25. It's not 2401.
I think it's 1937. That's, I think that I have there, and I can use it, but I'm not positive.
Okay, well,
It's completely different.
Nope. We'll go with yours, 1537, Lucy.
Okay, and then there's one more. One is not negative 0.013.
You know what? I'm just going to let that one be wrong. I don't want to go into the other test statistics. Rusty, did you have a different answer for 31?
Was that 32?
Let me look
Or
and
no,
see.
30.
For 30.
30, I had 0.282 and 0.293.
Okay, let's try your answers.
293, 0.293. Yes.
Okay. Are we gonna submit if you happen?
Yeah, I'll submit this time. Do we have any others we need to fix, Clint?
No, that was it.
Okay, let me hit submit and I'll see what happens. Don't do it yet, Rusty and Macy. Okay, that gets us to 97. We're still missing number 9. Number 9 is still wrong. So it's not A, and it's not, oh, you know what? I didn't change it. Oh, it's not A and it's not B, so pick C or D. It's probably C, is what I'm going to guess.
Okay.
I'm scrolling down to see if there's any others.
Oh yeah, that makes total sense. Because the level of significance is like, it's within this parameter, right?
Okay, so go for C, and you guys should be at 100%. Rusty's
So
answers were
probability.
right for those. Rusty's answers were right for the other one.
No, I still got like a B+.
So which one was it that we were just talking about? 10
Number
or 9?
9.
Number 9 should be which one?
We're going to guess C.
And number 10?
10 is correct at B.
Okay. And then, let's see, 31, did those come out right?
They sure did.
Okay. Alrighty.
Go get your 100%, Rusty and Macy.
Thank you, Tanny.
Well, thank Clint. He really took the biggest hit.
And thanks, Clint.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so are we doing this tonight? Do we have to draw them out tonight? So here's what I'm thinking. I think that the next one is actually to do the math or do the M&M picking, right?
Collect the data.
So I think we all need to draw our M&Ms. And when is that part due by? When do we have to turn it in, actually?
No, Saturday is, collect the data is due Saturday next week.
Okay, and we turn that in individually, right?
This one we work on individually.
So I think we just... Yes, Rusty did that for us.
So
I have not heard from Nelson since everything.
I talked with Nelson a couple days ago, and he and I are still scheduled to do this, collect the data. So I
When are
just
you
have to
doing
set
that?
it up with him. So he's still part of, he should still be, you know, you can put him down at the, he
Good.
should still be there.
Perfect.
Okay, so the first question says, if you read I think that is a group, right?
We have that question. It is, I'm trying to find where our design the study was that Rusty did.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Rusty, did you email me overview of the project?
I don't know if I got that to you. Actually, I think I did.
I think you might have, and I can't.
I'm looking to see if I've got it in my sent.
I've got it open right now. So why don't I get a good email for you, Clint, and I'll send it off. Yep.
I was thinking
So
about
I'm
collecting
going to send
data.
it.
I don't know how to collect it.
So I'm going to send it to your guys' school email, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it says list the names, let's state your question, and it says provide a short story of where you learned about what figures out. attached with the data collected, please indicate labels and any explanation needed so that it is clear what your data is.
Okay, hold on.
Clint,
Yeah.
I did add you to the last email. Whether you can only open up the one that particular one that I sent. If you have the chain of them, it should be on at the bottom of that one, where it says, "Okay, group number 5 here is our design study."
Okay, that's the one I've got open right now too. Clint is not on there, so let me add him. Clint, what's your last name for the school email?
What was that?
You're Clint Smith?
Yeah.
Or do you know if you're 14114?
Yeah, 14114.
Yeah. Okay, here it comes. Okay. I just sent it to school email. So I propose here's what I'm thinking. If we all play with our bags of M&Ms and do it up, and then what if we just kind of email it out to each other Friday night and just kind of do a proof over for everyone? You know what I mean?
Could we do it on like Friday mornings? Because I like this update Friday night. I like to have work done by Friday morning.
I could commit to doing it by Friday at noon. I just work long shifts until Friday.
That's fine. Friday at noon would be fine with me.
Okay. Oh, we lost Rusty.
I'm still here on the phone.
Okay, so does that work for you and Nelson, Rusty, is to collect your data and get it emailed to all members of the group by Friday at noon? Okay, and then we'll each just kind of proof over and make sure we agree, and then... Okay, so here's what I understand we're doing. We bought medium-sized bags of M&Ms, 3 kinds, peanut butter, and plain. And we're sticking our hand in without looking, and we're pulling out 30 M&Ms.
Okay.
So, and we're going to do an ANOVA is kind of the thing we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to, just so that I don't have to rename mine, I'm going to make like blue. We should decide this right now so we all have it the same too. So let's assign numbers for the colors.
Okay.
I'm getting a pen, so I have it written down. So now don't judge me if I happen to know the colors of M&Ms, but there's blue, right?
Yeah.
So let's make blue be 1, and there's green. So green can be 2, and yellow. So that can be 3. Red can be 4.
Okay.
Orange
So
can be
blue
5.
is 1. Blue is 1. Green is...
Blue is 1. Green is 2. Yellow is 3. Red is 4. Orange is 5. And brown is 6. So anyway, you stick your hand in the bag. You pull out 30 M&Ms. You separate them to the piles.
Okay.
And we're doing that. We said 30 times, right? For each bag of M&Ms.
Now, Tanny, do you have a bag of the peanut butter ones?
Yes, I do. Do you want me to go get
And
my
they
bag
have
of
those
M&Ms?
same colors. They have the same colors?
I think so too. No, because I'll eat them. So I'll just leave it filled up. But I I agree with Macy. I have enough experience with M&Ms that I concur that they are the same colors.
So, for a medium-sized bag, like how large are we talking?
Okay, so
This could be a really good excuse for me to buy a whole bunch of M&Ms and get fat over one weekend.
I'll have to tell you, once he wanted us to buy 30 bags of each kind of M&Ms. Yeah. And I was like, I gotta want that. $120 per bag of M&Ms.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we're gonna pull out 30 M&Ms, and we'll probably just like tally marks by say pull out 2 blue and 2 colors, 3 green, 3 colors.
well, I
Yeah,
think
so
we've got to set it up on a spreadsheet, right? So that we can run with the numbers.
Yeah, the Novo's run, so each kind of bowl, there's 6 different colors, right? And so each color represents variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then each column represents each time we pulled it.
That's
Yes.
right. Well, I was going to set my polls down the side.
Yeah.
So it'd be 1 through 30, and then M&M, peanut, and plain as the columns on, or the columns on top, and my polls as the side, right? As rows.
Hold on.
Hold on, I've got it still open right now. Let me show you what I was going to do. Just real quick.
So what would you like to set that up and then just email that through and we'll just figure it out?
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. Here, let me show you here, Mason, too, okay?
Okay.
Because it'll make sense. I'll share my screen here in just a second. In fact, let me start sharing my screen right now as I set it up.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. So this was going to be the number of pulls, or pull, okay? And then this is going to be plain, peanut, and peanut butter. So, and then you're going to have pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way down to 30, okay?
Right.
So you stick your hand in and the plain ones, and you pull out a yellow, so that's going to get a 3. And then the next time you stick your hand in and you pull out an orange, so that's going to get a 5. And then the next time is a green, so it's going to be a 2. Okay, and all the way down to 30. And then you do the same thing for peanut. Now I don't know how to do this, that we were going to do it 30 times. Are we going to have basically 180 pulls or 90 pulls for each one? I guess that's what we do. No, it'd be more than that.
I was thinking that we would do 10 because with that thought, we would at least have 3 of them. You know, when it was just Macy, Tammy, and myself, and maybe 40 with Nelson, and if Clint is there, then it would be 50. You know, if we get Nelson in here, too.
So, hold on though, let's back that up. If we each repeat the study 10 times, then for sure we have 40.
Correct.
Yeah.
Is that what
I prefer that's what we do. So, pull 10 bags.
No, each pull 30 M&Ms 10 times
Yes.
from each bag.
Okay, what? Okay, so pull 30 M&Ms from plain, 30 M&Ms from peanut, 30 M&Ms from peanut butter.
Yep.
Yeah.
Repeat 10 times.
And do it the other side.
But Rusty, how do we deal with that much data?
That's a lot of data.
Let me see what I put in those.
Wait, what are we trying to figure out? I'm sorry.
So
Trying to find out
Under
the
their study.
My first probably being about the for plain peanut butter peanut and then do it head to height. But that seems like a lot of data to me.
So what the describe in specific detail of what I sent to the teacher, it was each member of our group except Nelson Bills will randomly spill out 30 M&Ms from each package of M&Ms. We would then count each M&M, placing them into individual color groups. Nelson Bill, who has no M&Ms in his home area, and William Butcher will team up with M&Ms available here to do the same test. Each member of the group will randomly fill out M&Ms 10 times per type of M&Ms bag.
Okay,
10
so
times per type.
so we'd have,
300 M&Ms.
Yeah.
but so what are we going to do with that much data?
So we just pull out each time, we pull each of us pull 30 from the plane, 30 from the water, 30 from the unit, and that would give us four different people, four different sets of data.
That's
But
still,
that doesn't
30
give
is
us-
a large number. 30 is a large number.
Okay, so when we push it down to 10.
No. I'm saying 30 qualifies it because then we can assume that it's an evenly distributed sample because it's a large number.
Oh, okay.
That was why I was saying 10 times per type of bag, whether it's plain peanut or peanut butter, was so that we would have at least 30 choices.
So can you guys still see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we do it this way, when we do it one time range flag, the data's going to look like this, right? 13, 14. And then we're going to have the color, right, over here.
Yep.
Is represented by a number. So I'm going to put over here. If we do it the way Rusty's suggesting, I think the data would look like this. You'd have time number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 each, right? And then, but then here's where it gets complicated, Rusty, because you'd basically have blue, green, yellow, red, red, your colors across like this, right? And you'd say in number 1 you got 8, and in number 2 you got 9 greens, you got 10 yellows, okay, and you got, I'm going to just skip up here and say you got 15 reds. But the problem, Rusty, with doing this is then we don't have a column when we're putting it in a spreadsheet to say if it was plain or peanuts, so that we can run the data analysis. See how that's the challenges with that?
Yes, I can.
So that's why I think we have to go with this option over here in setting up the data. Then we can plug it in and have it analyze it for us. Where each color becomes a number. I think we just write, this is a learning thing. So I think when we do this, analyze the data, we just make an adjusted plan and say we recognize that we had an error in the first one. Our plan was, and here's how we're correcting, and just go on.
So Tammy's plan over on the left would work because lay down 30 M&Ms, like 1 through 30 represents an M&M. So you assign each one a number. Theoretically, if it's normally distributed, the mean of the entire plain row should be 3. Like that's theoretically what it should be.
You said 3?
What was that?
You think it'll be 3? The mean will be 3?
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. Because when you add up the numbers, add up the numbers all together, right? It should have blue and brown, 1 and 6 on the opposite scale. And it should be in the middle.
Okay.
So theoretically, the mean should be 30. So we're trying to find out if it usually is 30. Because in theory, it should be the same amount of brown, same amount of green. So like, if you do that, add them all up, and then divide it by the same amount, it should equal 3. Does that make sense?
It makes perfect sense. So Clint, I have to tell you, I spent the weekend with my son, who's a student at the Air Force Academy, and he was talking to me because he's basically a high math major, and he was talking to me about statistics being y equals mx plus b, and I said, what? He goes, you've got to be kidding me. You're almost through your quarter of statistics, and you have no idea that this is on the slope-intercept formula? And I said, no. So I'm glad that you can see the practical application of this, because I really only know what to do, what the book says to do, and I have no idea what it means. So thank you for pointing that out.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah, so.
Are you guys talking Spanish?
What's that?
Are you guys talking Spanish?
Pretty much, yeah.
It's easy enough. Okay, so Macy, so what's going to happen? Yeah, so what's going to happen is you're going to have 30 peanut M&Ms, and 30 peanut butter. Right? So it doesn't matter the order, because the order doesn't matter. With the number system, and so you put down numbers all the way down to 30, right? And then we'll plug it in. And voila.
Okay, so this is what I thought we were doing, and I'm glad we're not. I thought that we were doing, if you want 30 and then time.
That's what we were doing at first. We just kiboshed that idea.
Yeah. Okay, I love that.
Can you see this, Clint? That's the medium bag.
Okay, the medium bag. Got it.
And it says 11.4 ounces for peanut butter or for peanut.
Okay, awesome.
And the good news is it only has to at max 12 bucks.
Right.
Okay.
So, we're going to do is like recording Excel and then sending to each other that we're doing.
I think we need to.
So how many times are you pulling the M&Ms out?
One time. 30 one time. Pull 30 M&Ms out. One time.
Yeah, one time, 30 M&Ms.
I like that idea.
And where do you get the central limit theorem with the
because you pulled out 30 M&Ms out of the sample. So N equals 30. I mean, here's our population, right?
Yep.
And that's going to be 40. There's 8 servings, and you get about, it doesn't say how many M&Ms. But I can tell you there's probably a good 100 in here. So the fact that you're taking a sample of 30, that's your large sample. That's your sample.
Our mean should be 3.5. I realize odd number of colors. It's not a even number, not an odd number. So 3.5.
All right.
So are you really calculating statistics off of one sample?
Yes. What do you think, Rusty?
Well, I was thinking that we'd have a better average over the 10 times.
Well, why don't you run? We could do that. You can do the 10 and see how it differs. I just don't know once you pull it that many times, how do you record it down to let it run through the ANOVA software?
You only need to do it one time, right?
Yeah, that's all.
Sampling method is you only take one simple random sample from a population, which is our bag is a population. So we have to figure that out.
Right, we did it really, we made kind of a waste of time. We don't have to do one week.
And I think technically, I mean, if we want to get real technical, I don't think you can dump your M&M because that'd be stratified. You gotta put your band in randomly.
Okay.
You know,
Say that again?
I don't think you can just dump the top 30 out because I think that's not totally random. I think you gotta stick your hand in and just pick one out. And Macy's tired and I have to get up at 4:45 to go to work too. So, are we done?
I think so.
Okay, we'll have to Friday to email. We're going to fill out the collected database.
Yep.
And ask for project to it.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to have to send out an email to the instructor because down at the bottom of that it says that we have to stick with what we sent her. So I will amend, since I've already amended.
Well, and yeah, tell her that we didn't know how to deal. We realized on further examination it was more data than we can put into SPSS.
Okay.
Because you added another group member or something like that, and then the group is down.
I already got sent approved to be in our group.
She contacted.
So I'll just have to amend this.
Okay, and then one other thing. I want to make sure everyone has seen that the test has to be done by tomorrow.
Yeah.
The test is tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, me too. So, all right.
Well, the first one was Wednesday, the second one was Saturday, and the third one is Wednesday again.
Okay. All right. Have a good night, all.
Sweet dreams. Good night.